Welcome to a day in the life video of my dad being a self-publisher.
What's going on, everybody? All right, it is a day in the life of a six-figure self-publisher. So I'm going to show you, we are in Vancouver. I'm going to show you the graph down there, what a typical day in the life is like with a self-publisher. Now, it's going to be a unique day because we are going to be trading cars. We have the Model X, and we got to go trade it for Model 3.
Model 3.
They've definitely enjoyed it. But I'm going to be running around with my wife. But throughout the process, I am going to be showing you how much money I'm making on my KDP dashboard. I'm doing regular updates on that. So it'll be kind of a cool video. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so the agenda for today is we are driving from West Vancouver to Whitlam to drop off the kids for their one day a week in-person class that they do with the homeschooling program we're a part of. And then while they're in class, we are going to meet up with the owner of this car from tomorrow to give it back. And then we have to jump on a SkyTrain and like literally go all the way across town to go pick up another car. And then we have to make it back to the school before the kids are out of class. Now, is that going to be possible? Who knows? We will find out. It's going to be an adventure. And during that time, I'm going to be updating my KDP dashboard. I haven't checked it yet this morning yet. So I'm going to throw up a screenshot of me checking it on my phone right now to kind of see where we're at for the morning. But the purpose of this video today is to show you what is possible when you commit, build your business, and then it allows you to go out and do whatever you want and still get paid. Because that is what you're supposed to be doing with your life. Not working like a 9-to-5 job like some slave or some mindless monkey. You want to be able to go out and go do the things that you want to do, but still have income coming in every hour, on the hour, no matter what you're doing. That is true passive income. Okay, yeah. I've been gone just as long as you, so I have no idea what you're doing.
Done.
$13? What the? Are you sure you bought the right one?
2 adult, 3 son tickets. We're here, so on the 1, we're going past 2 to 3.
My hands are clearly full. Look at us, we're a bunch of regular commuters. All right, guys, so it's 10:20 in the morning. Let's do the first KDP income update. We're on the SkyTrain. We haven't rode this thing in like 10 plus years. I used to ride this when I was like a little rebellious teenager running through the streets of Burnaby. It was bloody awesome. What am I doing? All right, let's check it out. So we're at $242. So $242.05 so far. I'll do a quick refresh. Did it change? Okay, so that must be the latest thing. 37 orders. So if you think about that, it is 10:21 in the morning and Amazon's already paid me $242. Not bad for doing zero work today so far. So let me show you what Vancouver and Burnaby look like. Oh shit, are you already filming? So I haven't been on a bus in like, I don't know how long it's been. It's been a very long time. And I go to sit down and like, man, they've got like airlines, like the seats are a lot smaller. Mariana's like, you're also a lot bigger. I'm like, that's a good call. Good call from the wife there. But here we are, we're going through Coquitlam, old neighborhood. We used to live right up there. And Marble Slab is right over there. And it's so cool being back there. But we are going to go pick up the next car, and we are actually doing pretty good for timing right now. So that's always a positive. And then I honestly don't know what we're doing after. What are we doing for the rest of the day? Oh, we have to go pick up our luggage in West Van. Oh, God. Should probably eat sushi soon. Oh, beautiful fall day in BC. You gotta hit the light. Come on, it's not Mexico. All right, hit the light. Wait, look for traffic. How do you know? Jordan. It's like way higher. I'll get people to show. So I'm at a sushi place right now. Mariana is up at school. The kids are having a pizza lunch day. So they're having pizza. I am having sushi. So I absolutely love some sushi. We got some chopped scallop rolls here. We got some sashimi. We got some dynamite rolls. We get some pork gyozas, taportas. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to go nasty on this. Let's do an income check right now. All right. So you just saw that 242 was the last income check. Now we're at just over $300 for the day so far. It is, I think it's like 12:30 or 1 o'clock or something like that. But we are going to get busy with some sushi. I ain't gonna come back here. It's okay. It's not great. Oh well, we can just sauce it up. Make it work. All right, so we just picked up Raph. No, your shoes. What happened, bro? We just got those. What happened? Why are they so muddy?
They don't light up.
They don't let you. Did you break them? What did you do? Bro.
We just need to clean them, to be honest.
I hope so. Oh man, I really like those ones.
Me too.
Oh well. All right, buddy, we got the new car. Okay, let's go.
It's how do you said it was locked.
You got to use it to start it. No, you here. Look, put your foot on the brake. Oh yeah, look. There's the instructions.
So
No, in the middle compartment. Armrest. Or under there. Underneath there. Yeah, you just like tap it. Like a hotel key. Yeah, I think that's it. And then now you can press the brake and the car will be on. Yeah, see?
oh, press this.
No, don't press anything else.
That's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing but smaller. Right?
All right, we've landed in our Airbnb. It's been quite the day, ain't gonna lie. We got the kids there. They were just playing some Guess Who? Who won? Who? Okay, so they both won. They both won. All right, but it's a cool little place. Cool little place. There's wifey cooking up some dinner or something. Are you cooking up some dinner? No, she's not.
What's wifey?
What? Wifey is mom. Okay, we're gonna see his room really quick, and then I'm gonna do a last income report for the day because it's like, what time is it? It's like 5 o'clock, and I guess 9 to 5, right? We're done work. We're done work. So here's their room, right? So they're loving this. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. But all right, let me bring you to the computer so we can do a last income report. Check this out. All right, last income report here. All right, $517 so far today. not too shabby. Yesterday we did what? 551. So not too bad. And I guess I'll show you the month. We're at 6,200 for the month so far. And it's like, today's like November 10th. So off to a decent start for the month for sure. So before we wrap up today, I want to talk about the purpose of this video once again. You basically saw me not work. You saw me run around town with my wife, drop the kids off at school, hang out, eat sushi, and then just be with my family all day. And we still made over $500 today. Now, that's pretty damn impressive. Remember, what you just saw, this is the entire reason that you want to start this passive income lifestyle. This is the entire reason you want to start this KDP journey or whatever it is. This is the end goal, being able to do whatever you want with the people you love and still get money. That is it. But you have to remember that this is going to take more sacrifices. It's going to be more challenging, and it is going to be so much harder than you possibly think it is when you're starting off. It was for me, and it is for everybody else, because being able to not look at your computer once and still bring in $500 for the day isn't something that you take lightly. You have to be able to sacrifice and put the hours in, put the reps in order to build up your business to this point. If this is something that you want to do, what I implore you to do is go check out my 5-day or 3-day challenge. It's the Publish and Profit Challenge, where I will show you exactly how to find a topic, how to write a book on that topic, and how to publish the book on Amazon, and then how to get your first sales, all within a matter of days. This is a completely free program. There's no cost involved. You just click the link, enter your email, you'll get an email. It's gonna get you into the group. You also get a bonus support group as well. And this is 100% free. I've literally had people go through this free program and make thousands of dollars from it. And I'm giving that to you completely for free. So you have the same opportunity that everyone else has as well. And that is literally step one at what you saw me do every single day. Right? Like, what are we gonna do tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm gonna do a bit more work because I got stuff I need to take care of, but we're gonna go see my mom. We're gonna do a bunch of running around. What else are we doing tomorrow? Oh, we got the Stanley Park Harry Potter light thing at Stanley. I don't even know what it is, but it's some sort of Harry Potter thing that we're going to tomorrow. And, you know, there's probably some other stuff I got going on tomorrow. But I'll tell you what I'm not doing is answering to a boss and working 9 to 5 at a job I hate tomorrow. The only boss I have to answer to, that one right there.
Yeah.
Right? And I wouldn't have it any other way. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this little day in the life. It was her idea to film a day in the life today.
Yeah.
Right?
You're
So
welcome.
you're welcome. Thank you, sweetie. But until next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Peace. All right, everybody, it is the next day, and really quick, I wanted to do a quick follow-up on the total money earned yesterday. Good morning. Here, I'll blow up. Julie still has her morning face on. But guys, check this out. This is from today, or from today so far this morning. It's like 10:16. But check out yesterday's sales. Okay, so this is today so far. It is November 11th. Happy Remembrance Day. Kids are playing Monopoly.
Oh yeah.
And yesterday we did a grand total of $772 and what is that? 113 orders. Not too shabby for a day's work.